Until now, dental treatment videos were among the best tools for patient communication, but they were static, limited in interaction. Enter a new generation, DentPlan 3D. Not just real 3D interactivity, but fully personalized to your patient's unique dental situation. And today, you'll get a full schedule. Step 1, select teeth. One by one or all upper or lower jaw when using the pen icon to be used for a selected treatment. A dot with the teeth number will appear for each selection. Step 2, choose treatment. Select the desired treatment type: care, implant, prosthetic, or x-ray. Step 3, refine selections. After selecting treatments for the chosen teeth, click the X icon to clear your selection and add more teeth for additional treatments. And you're saying probably that you want to clean out at least 2 times. Step 4, visualize in 3D view an interactive 3D model based on your treatment choices and play animations for the upper or lower jaw. Step 5, open the proposal page and export to PDF or print from PDF. This is an important step for an individual who wants to move into the production process with DentPlan 3D. Precision, personalization, and innovation at your fingertips. Start transforming your dental consultations today.